Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to go over this document about how to put a wire back to the Artisan 1430. This printer has a whole bunch of plugs and wires. All goes into the right side of the printer. And also, it has two different kinds of mainboard. One is CB53 main-B. The other one is CB53 and main without a -B. Those two keyboards are different sizes, but the connections are similar, and the document is going to include both. And it has a detailed layout and has a picture. And if you need it, you can go to BCH Technologies.com and just go search for 1430 workflow. We're going to work on those pink letters first. Those pink letters wires, they will have a connector, and except one of them is FFC. Let me explain the wire code. The wire are coded by color, so Y is yellow, B is blue, K is black, R is red, W is white, G is gray. And I'm going to write the connector or socket color first. For example, the first one is Y, so it's a yellow plug with a red, white, gray, and black. There are 4 wires, one of each color, and it will also show you what is for and how to find it. And it says find a big black bundle on the bottom of the printer. Okay, I lift those things up and see a big black bundle with a yellow connector and 4 wires. So that's the first wire. So I look for number 1 on my picture. So it has a yellow socket, and so it's right here. And the next few wires are all the way from the left of the printer. I said left is one I'm facing the rear of the printer on my left. You can see they look similar, except they have different connectors. One is black, one is white. And then you have those 2 wires with a red connector. And after putting the wires in, we need to connect all the FFC cable. There are 8 of them, and 7 of them is in a bundle. Okay, here are 7 wires, 7 FFC cables. If you're lucky, it didn't mess up with the sequence, you can just go by the sequence I list on the document. So the top one is number 1, and which is a straight wire, have 13 pins. So straight, I use code S, so it's S13. Okay, that will be the first one. Then there will be 3 wires from the printhead, and those are shaped like L, so I'll call it L13. So if you're not sure about the sequence, and probably you messed around with this region before, so the wires are not in the sequence, you can take this part off by removing the cable first. Then find this thing, just poke it towards you, and you can remove this bar and lose the cables. And then on the other side, and you can look at the mainboard where the cable is connected. On the document, I list what each LFC cable is for. The first one is cartridge return sensor, and so we need to open up this and take a look. So you lift up those 3 cables, they're kind of glued together. Those 3 cables are printhead cables that I just showed you. And underneath the printhead cable, it goes all the way deep inside, and that's the cartridge return sensor. And here's the one on the outmost one. The outmost one is connect to the cartridge, so it's a CSIC cable. And after the CSIC cable is the cable connected to the control panel. And after the control cable is the the cable for this thing, I call it a cartridge light. So they light up if some cartridge is malfunctioning. So there are eight FFC cables, and we covered 7 of them. Those 7 they are on this bundle, except the last one. Here's the last one. The last one connects to a relay board, and here's the little relay board, and here it is. So this cable connects to here, and we already covered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this number 8. And this yellow plug is connected all the way to the left, really long wire, connected to a page feed sensor. And this little label, little FFC, connects to the PF scale sensor. And then you have 2 wires. The one with the white colored wire is connected to the bottom of the APG. And the one with the blue color is connected to the top sensor. Okay, well done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at www.bchtechnologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.